How to confirm your Scratch account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily confirm your Scratch account. So first thing, just head over to your scratch.mlt.edu, which is the official website of Scratch, and here you shall see your confirm your email option over here. So for that you need to be already logged into your account. So I'll simply head over to my homepage, that is where I can see confirm my email. So I'll simply tap on this and it will send you a verification code when you tap on it. So to verify you, all you have to do is just open up your registered email address, and from over here just open up your mail where it has sent you the link to confirm your account actually. So just tap on this, and once you tap on it, it will redirect you to its homepage, and just like that you have successfully confirmed or verified your mail, that is your Scratch account. And for some reason, if you don't receive such mail, you can just head over to your profile section and just click on this account setting and simply select this email option right under this left section. And from over here, just you can just try and use new email, and it will resend the verification code just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.